Gala Games at the time of this recording continues to see a bit of a breakdown move, and we continue to hold within our key area of support between the 0.03519 and the 0.03196. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 20th of December. You can see that we first saw a bit of a bounce to the upside, where I believe we peaked in the formation of these additive count 1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these F2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using these yellow target area, an area that we almost fully maximized, and we saw a bit of a reaction to the upside over here in what I was terming as the start of an impulsive additive count 3. But from the price action that we have at the moment, you can see that this movement was not impulsive, because we have continued to see further breakdown moves, and that means that there are chances that we could see one more new low in the formation of these wave 2 in this yellow target area. So that means that in the next coming hours, there's a chance of a breakdown move fully maximizing this target area. And as long as we continue holding within the area, then I will be expecting to see Gala Games give us another bounce to the upside in an impulsive additive count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of these wave 5. We also need to have in mind that in case we get a breakdown move and maybe at some point we break to the lower side of this target area, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario, and that will be better discussed once I zoom out on the charts. Also remember that this additive structure that I have on the charts in red was part of an even larger additive count 3, and that additive count 3 was part of a larger additive structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that after making these lows, we started an impulsive movement to the upside, where we first peaked impulsively in the formation of these additive count 1, so a pullback in the formation of these wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then continued pushing higher in the formation of these wave 5 in a move that peaked above the 0.067. And after we picked in a 5-wave structure to the upside, we completed the formation of these larger additive count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I have been expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of this second wave, a move that we have seen here on the charts into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and in the next coming days we are going to start an impulsive price action to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all we need to see as a confirmation that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2 is a 5-wave structure to the upside, and the minimum target areas for this wave 3 can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's, that is the trend-based Fibonacci, from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which lies above the 0.11382, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. We also need to remember that in case we lose our micro key areas of support within this target area over here, and I can change the color to red. If we lose this area over here, then we can expect to get one more new low within the formation of this yellow target area. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose our yellow target area, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario, and also an invalidation of this additive structure that I have from the lows we made on the 4th of November. So that is all I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.